Hey guys, Juan here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the ClickBank website here and show you exactly how you can start earning affiliate commissions through the ClickBank platform. So if you're unfamiliar with ClickBank, it's essentially a platform, a marketplace where people will create products in certain niches and certain categories, and then they'll invite affiliates to actually promote these products, and at times will even give away 100% of the commissions because of the fact that these individuals have these products not only with the front end offers but also the back end offers. So let's say that you're able to sell a product for $67. Oftentimes these individuals will give you 100% of those commissions, so $67, because they know they have a customer that they can sell on the back end additional products and make money that way. So this platform here is really good to affiliates. I think the average commission is about 75% of the sales. So they really hook you up, and a lot of these different vendors in here will provide a lot of affiliate tools that you can use, such as banners, email templates, just different material that you can use for your promotions. But I want to go to the affiliate marketplace here, and I want to show you essentially how to set this up so that you can look at what are the top selling products on ClickBank. So the way that you can look at this is essentially by clicking this magnifying glass here, and you don't even need to go through all the average sale, average initial sale, all these different filters. If you want to find what are the top most highest selling products on ClickBank, all you got to do is come up here and click on this little magnifying glass, and boom, you're going to get all the top selling products here from start to finish. So we can see here Flat Belly Fix, Ted's Woodworking. This looks like a dating kind of product here. And what you'll find is a lot of these have affiliate pages here where they'll provide different marketing and promotional material that you can use to promote these products. So with the woodworking here, looks like we have $125 per sale, commission, okay, and then some of these have, let's see if they have any affiliate type of tools here. Okay, so you need to end up signing up your information here. Let me go here to take me to the resource page. Okay, so this is great. So we have landers. Let me see this. What is this? Oh, okay. So these guys provide custom landing pages. That's interesting. Okay, so this is great. So what we can do is essentially have these custom landing pages that we can send people, and they'll be able to go to the exact offer, but it's different hooks. So this one is for the main affiliate link, highest converting. This is for like Facebook if you want to advertise through there. Then the video with text landing. So they have a lot of graphics here that you can use as well. Now I'm going to show you some free ways that you can promote these products and get commissions. But there's also a lot of different ways that you can use paid promotions. And paid promotions are probably going to be the best to be able to get that large amount of volume of sales. But you want to show you here, a lot of these different vendors will provide a lot of tools to help you in promoting their products. Let's see here, this one right here, these guys have a lot of different products as well, and a lot of these different tools in here. Okay, so let's go to this one here, see what they have. Okay, so this is an email swipe. Okay, so it looks like these guys are providing email swipes and then banners here. That's great. So I essentially wanted to walk you through this entire platform, right? To give you an idea as far as how to start making affiliate commissions. And what I want to do now is show you some free ways that you can actually start getting affiliate commissions. So let's say that we were wanting to promote, any kind of offer here. Let's say lean belly breakthrough, and this is like more for like females that are looking to lose weight, and looks like it's a VSL here. Okay,